Are you looking for an exotic way to improve your health? Look no further than Starfruit. This video will uncover the many benefits of this unique and delicious fruit. From aiding digestion to boosting energy, you won't believe how powerful Starfruit can be for your overall wellness. Plus, you'll get creative tips on incorporating Starfruit into your favorite recipes. Get ready to know why a few slices of Starfruit could be an excellent choice for your overall health. So, don't wait any longer. Watch our video now and learn why you should add some stars to your plate. Starfruit, or Carambola, is a tropical fruit native to Southeast Asia. Its oblong shape with 5 distinctive ridges and bright yellow-green skin makes it easily recognizable. It features a unique flavor of tart and sweet, which makes it an ideal ingredient for recipes like salads and desserts. But the Starfruit isn't just delicious, it offers many health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants, fiber, vitamins A and C, potassium, and magnesium. You can eat Starfruit fresh or juiced as part of a smoothie or cocktail recipe. However, people with kidney problems should avoid eating this fruit due to its high oxalate levels. All in all, Starfruits are an excellent choice for adding nutritional value to any diet. Here are the best health benefits of Starfruit. 1. It can help regulate blood sugar. Starfruits can help maintain blood sugar levels because of its high fiber content and low glycemic index. The soluble fiber in this fruit helps slow the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream and reduces the risk of spikes in blood sugar levels. Besides, Starfruit contains a unique compound called caramboxin, which acts as an anti-diabetic agent and controls glucose production in the liver. This compound can help with diabetes management or prevention by reducing fasting glucose levels and improving insulin sensitivity. Starfruit also contains several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus, which are critical for cellular health and metabolic processes related to regulating blood sugar levels. Eating this tasty tropical treat may be a great way to support a healthy blood sugar balance. 2. Starfruit aids digestion. Starfruit is rich in dietary fiber, which improves digestion and helps the body eliminate waste more efficiently. The dietary fiber content of this exotic fruit helps keep the digestive system regular and can improve bowel movements. Besides, Starfruit contains a high amount of water that works as a natural laxative, further aiding digestion by softening stools. Additionally, Starfruit contains pectin, another dietary fiber that increases intestinal motility and prevents constipation. It also helps to reduce acidity levels in the stomach and improves gastric health overall. Lastly, antioxidants like vitamin C in Starfruit help protect the stomach lining from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants protect against inflammation that can lead to digestive disorders, such as ulcers or irritable bowel syndrome. Overall, consuming Starfruit regularly can help keep your digestive system functioning optimally and prevent potential issues. 3. Starfruit provides a boost of energy. It contains vitamin C, fiber, and carbohydrates, nutrients that are easily absorbed by the body. The high fiber content regulates blood sugar levels and energizes you throughout the day. Starfruit also features antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress in the body, which can lead to fatigue. Also, it is rich in B vitamins, essential for metabolism and energy production. The vitamin C in Starfruit helps boost your immune system and fights off illnesses like colds or flu, helping you stay energized even when your body is under viruses or bacteria attack. Furthermore, this tropical fruit has potassium, which helps improve circulation and promote muscle function. This improvement can give you a natural energy boost to get through your day without feeling tired quickly. Additionally, Starfruit contains magnesium, which aids with cellular respiration, enabling cells to extract more energy from food sources so you can remain active longer without feeling drained of energy quickly. Eating Starfruit will provide sustained energy throughout the day. 4. Starfruit is an excellent agent for weight loss. Starfruit can help shed some pounds due to its dietary fiber, reduce hunger cravings, and regulate the body's metabolism. The fiber content in Starfruit will also help move food through the digestive system more efficiently, allowing for better nutrient absorption. Its low calorie count and high water content make it a great addition to any weight loss program. The presence of vitamin C in Starfruit can also aid with weight loss, as it is known to help boost the metabolism and burn fat faster. It also helps to flush out toxins from the body that can otherwise contribute to unwanted fat accumulation. In addition, starfruit contains essential minerals such as iron, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. These minerals are necessary for healthy bodily functions like breaking fats into energy. Incorporating starfruits into your diet provides many health benefits, and they're excellent agents for weight loss due to their low calorie count and abundance of vitamins and minerals that help boost metabolism and burn fat quicker. 5. Starfruit reduces cholesterol and fatty liver risk. Starfruit is a unique and nutritious edible fruit with many potential health benefits. One of the primary advantages of consuming starfruit is its ability to reduce cholesterol levels and fatty liver risk. This feature is due to essential vitamins, minerals, and potent antioxidants like polyphenols. Several studies have demonstrated that regular consumption of starfruit can significantly reduce total cholesterol levels, low-density lipoprotein LDL or bad cholesterol, triglycerides, and fat accumulation in the liver. The high dietary fiber content helps regulate digestion and absorption of fat from the intestine into the bloodstream, which prevents excess cholesterol buildup and fatty liver risk. 6. Starfruit reduces inflammation. Inflammation is a deciding factor when it comes to ailments. Starfruit is high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, which helps boost immunity and fight off infections. It's also rich in potassium, which helps control blood pressure levels and protect against stroke or heart attacks. Research has shown that starfruit is packed with antioxidants and has anti-cancer properties that can help protect against cancer-causing free radicals. The carotenoid content of starfruit helps to neutralize unstable molecules caused by oxidative damage, which can lead to DNA mutations and the growth of tumors. Its vitamin C content reduces the risk of cancer development, since it helps support the body's natural detoxification process. A compound in starfruit known as flavonoids may block tumor growth and control cell cycle progression. This process could potentially lead to prevention or reduction in the occurrence rate for some cancers. Studies have found that consuming starfruit regularly may reduce the risk of certain cancers, including colon, lung, prostate, liver, and breast cancer. These factors clarify why eating starfruits can boost your immune system. As you can see, starfruit is an incredible addition to any diet. Not only does it offer an exotic flavor, but it also packs quite a nutritional punch. So the next time you're at the grocery store, grab some starfruit and give your body a healthy treat. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 14 powerful health benefits of guayabano fruit and leaves. Thanks for watching and bye for now.